everybody, my name is Daniela and today I will talk about bead crochet rope filling. About the materials you can use to fill the inside of the bead crochet rope. Before we get started, I just want to quickly remind you that I've launched a premium membership on Patreon and YouTube with lots of benefits. So if you are interested, check out my previous video, you can see the link up here, or go straight to Patreon or click the join button on my profile here on YouTube. Benefits include, for example, a bead crochet calculator, 24-hour early access to my videos, premium digital content like premium patterns, priority answers to your questions, and your name in the credits. And now back to what I wanted to talk about today. So it's usually done the other way around, but I will start with what I think is the best for filling the ropes. And that's a hollow fiber, which looks like this. Hollow fiber is a very lightweight filler material with good shape memory and airiness. It is most commonly used as a filling for pillows, duvets, sleeping bags, and so on. But I like to use it for filling ropes. It is also a very cheap material. I bought this whole bag for something like 99 Czech crowns, which is about $4 or $5. The way I use hollow fiber is that I always take a piece and use a tool to stuff the material inside. I don't use any sophisticated tool. I always find something I have on hand that is approximately the size of the inside of the rope. Today I took the help of an ordinary straw and I insert the whole thread into the rope continuously while crocheting. I always crochet a piece, put the hollow fiber inside and continue crocheting. The advantage of using hollow fiber is that you fill the entire space of the rope. There are no gaps around it. The rope is nice and strong, but it's also beautifully flexible, and the hollow fiber is very light, so it doesn't add weight to the rope. I think it's the best material for rope filler. What do you think? Do you prefer something else? I will show you some other options. Sometimes I use plastic tubes. It's a regular plastic or silicone tube from the hobby market. It gives the rope a nice rounded shape. But you need the tube to be as close in diameter as possible to the size of the inside of the rope. This is not the case here, and there is still plenty of room inside the rope. So you can squeeze the rope like this. Some people might be okay with that, but I would prefer a hollow fiber thread in this case. On the other hand, here the tube fits exactly in this rope, so I would leave it here. In this case, it is best to insert the tube at the end when the whole rope is crocheted. Another option is to use some rope. The result will be very similar to putting a plastic tube inside. If your rope is stiff enough, you could put it in at the end when you have the whole rope crocheted. If you have some very flexible rope, it would be hard to insert it into the finished rope, so it's better to slide it in as you crochet. And paracord. Someone wrote me in the comments that they also use paracord. Actually, I've never used it in a rope. I have a bit of it here and I think it would take a lot of work to get a good result. As you can see, the paracord is very flexible, so I would be putting it inside the rope as I crochet. It would be more challenging in a finished rope. We would have to get help from some other tool to pull the paracord in. And if we were crocheting a larger diameter rope, we would have to put several of those paracords inside. So, as you can see, hollow fiber has worked best for me. It goes in very easily and it's a very cheap and available material. But if you use something else, be sure to let me know down in the comments. I'd love to learn something new and maybe try it out too. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will be glad if you subscribe to my channel and turn notifications on to help my channel to grow. Also, come and follow me on Instagram and other social media where I post a lot of stuff you are not gonna see here on YouTube. You can find the link in the description of the video down below. Happy beading and see you next time. Bye!